All right, so lastly, on the rotation are some observations. Some observations that we made from looking at the different type of rotation. You'll note that in a 90-degree rotation, in the 90-degree rotation, the point A moved from 2, 1 and became, so A, which is 2, 1, became A prime, which is minus 1, 2. And this is R, O, 90 degrees, all right? RO 90 degrees. And what that means is an anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. The positive 90 there is indicating that you're going in an anti-clockwise direction. If it was negative, you'd be going in a clockwise direction. So this is saying in a 90-degree rotation about the origin, the point X, Y became the point minus Y, X. In other words, the coordinates interchange. The coordinates interchange, meaning that they switch positions, and the sign of the new x coordinate, and the sign of the new x coordinate is changed. So the coordinates switch position. X became Y and Y became X, and the sign of the new x coordinate change. So let's look at the observations. So these are the observations from the activity we just did. So features of a 90, 180 degree, and 270 degree rotation about the origin. In a 90 degree rotation, vertical lines become horizontal and horizontal lines become vertical. And we can see that clearly from any one of these diagrams. In between the first and second diagram, AC was horizontal and A prime, C prime is vertical. So horizontal lines become what? Vertical, and vertical lines like AB becomes horizontal. A prime, B prime is horizontal. So the first observation is in a 90 degree rotation, vertical lines become horizontal and horizontal lines become vertical. Now, in an anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin, the X and Y coordinates interchange and the sign of the new X coordinate changes. So we showed that already. So for example, the point A, which was 2, 1, became A prime, which is minus 1, 2. The coordinates interchange and the sign of the new X coordinate changes. Now, in a 180 degrees about the origin, the signs of the coordinates interchange. The signs of the coordinates change. That's all that happens. In a 180 degree rotation about the origin, the signs of the coordinates change. That's all that happened. So you can look here, the point A, 180 degrees is from here to here. The point A, which is 2, 1, became minus 2, minus 1. So the point A, which is, not A prime, A, which is 2, 1, becomes A double prime, which is minus 2, minus 1. So in a 180 degree rotation about the origin, the signs of the coordinates change. That's all that happens. All right, and this can come in handy. For example, when the examiner says, when the examiner asks you to describe fully the rotation, that move A, B, C to A prime, B prime, C prime, which is a popular question. All right. So it's good when you have this knowledge, the knowledge of these observations at your fingertip. Now, the fourth one is this. In an anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin, the X and Y coordinates interchange and the sign of the new Y coordinate changes. So RO plus 270 degrees means an anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. So this is anti-clockwise. That rotation is viewed as positive. This is clockwise, and that rotation is viewed as negative. So RO plus 270 degrees means an anti-clockwise rotation of 270 degrees about the origin. So the point A, which is what, 2, 1, becomes the point A triple prime, which is 1 minus 2. All right, and you can see all of that in the diagram for yourself. A, which is what, 2, 1, became 1 minus 2, which is the coordinate of A triple prime. All right, so these are observations that if you can remember them, it can make the process of doing a rotation about the origin simpler, or it can help you to identify, to more quickly identify a rotation, if in case you are asked to describe the rotation completely. These observations, you should remember these and plus the ones from reflection.